Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing you how to make homemade strawberry jam. First, wash 2 pounds of strawberries, then remove the stems and then chop them up. In a large pot, add your chopped strawberries, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And cook on medium-high heat, stirring constantly. Once it gets to a boil, you want to adjust your heat to a medium or between medium to medium-high heat and continue to stir constantly. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Now about halfway, 20 minutes in of cooking, I like to add in my candy thermometer to keep an eye on it until it reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit. That's when you'll know it's done. Now if you don't have a candy thermometer, at the beginning place a plate in your freezer. Once you think the jam is done, take a spoonful of the jam and put it onto the plate and run your fingers straight through it. And when you tip the plate up on its side, and if the jam doesn't drip down, you know it's done. Once your jam is done, you want to carefully spoon it into a mason jar, but make sure to sterilize your jars first. I have instructions how to do so in the description below. Place the lid on and let cool completely before placing in the refrigerator. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for next video. Thanks for watching!